Hey guys, I also wanted to show you how to resize anything and how to move anything around. This is not just for text and using the type tool, but it's also for photos or images, anything that you input into Photoshop. You have to use this specific tool in order to resize. So the first thing is the move tool is how you get just a little arrow where you can move things around. And you can pick up any of your layers either by clicking on them or by choosing them over on the layer panel. Okay, so that's how you move things around with the move tool. If you wanted to go back into your type layer and change something, you just go back to the type tool and then click directly on the words and the cursor will come back up. Okay, but you have to be in the type tool. And then again, just like I said in the other video, to get out of the type tool, you'll go back to the move tool, and that kind of just gives you, I kind of call this home base because it will get you out of any tool that you're in Photoshop. Okay, so now I want to resize my name. I want to make it bigger. So what I'll go to is Edit, and then Free Transform, and then you can see you get the little box around it. And if you hold Shift, it will keep its shape. And I can just make it bigger. I can put it on a curve if I want to. This is how you change the size or the angle of anything in Photoshop. And then you would just press the return key or come up here to the top and press the check mark if you want to keep it, or you can press this if you don't want to keep the change you made. So I'm going to not keep that change because I want to show you how to enlarge the whole logo. So I'm just going to come over here onto my layer panel and hold Shift and click my other layer so that I can select them both. And now I can resize them both at the same time if I want to by just going to Edit and then Free Transform. And now both of them are in this what's called a bounding box, and I'm holding Shift while I resize so that it keeps its shape. And now I can make it both of them bigger at the same time. And then again, you just press return or hit the check at the top. So there that is.